C major. Practicing the scale before playing a melody is common and beneficial. Scale is excellent for developing finger agility and coordination. Playing scale involves playing different sequences of notes with other fingers, translating directly into more fluent playing when you move on to a melody. Playing the scale can improve your ability to recognize and play the correct notes in the melody accurately. Sing along to the notes while playing the piano. It's incredibly beneficial. Sa sa ga sa ma sa ga sa re pa sa pa ni pa sa pa pa ma ma ga ga re pa pa ma ma ga ga re sa sa pa pa da da pa ma ma ga ga re re sa pa pa ma ma ga ga re pa pa ma pa da ma ga re sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are thrilled to continue this musical journey with us. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more engaging tutorials.